Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have another Ram TRX, this one a 2023. This one's fully loaded with a 6-figure window sticker, which is absolutely crazy. This is all courtesy of Attention to Detail Auto Polishing in South Dennis, Massachusetts. Thank you so much for allowing me to take this thing out for a ride, because this thing is cool. Very, very cool. Also has an intake, which means this is probably going to be the best sounding POV test drive I've ever done. It's crazy loud, very, very loud. Harman Kardon sound. Whew. This is, oh. Got the new heads-up display, digital. Oh yeah. Yep. As far as I'm aware, the only mod is the intake. As far as I know. That's what I was told. So, well, and the wheels. Obviously, people saw the wheels. Yeah, if you don't hear that intake now, just wait. Ho 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 ho. Come on now. Oh. Okay. Yep. Oh no, better with the windows closed. Way better with the windows closed. I need to put an intake on my Hellcat. I need to put an intake on that thing. Oh. Just how I want to be in the board meeting that said, you know what would be cool? Let's put a Hellcat motor in a truck. And no matter how stupid that idea sounds, I am so glad they did it. I just drove one with resonator delete and upper and lower pulleys. Now one with an intake. I've driven the trifecta, a 22 versus a 23. Oh my gosh, I need to put an intake on my car. This is... Even just cruising, it sounds so cool. Obviously, we're driving this in Baja mode. Suspension's a little bouncy, but that's what it's designed to be right now, is bumpy or bouncy and absorbent of all the dunes and everything around. But, oh. Oh, bless you. I should have did what that truck did. I didn't realize this guy wasn't turning. Does this have the... Yeah, it does, okay. Oh. Why is this thing so good? Why? Why? I need to try a Raptor R now, but I can't picture a better truck than this. Oh yeah. This is amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.